Hi students, good morning. Today we'll discuss about the chapter 10 class chapter polynomials. So what is meant by polynomial? Before going to that, we see the what is some other ones, means like definitions. In that, what type of definitions will come for you? See the first one, it is variable. What is meant by variable? Variable means what? It does not have a fixed value. Means variable means it does not have a fixed value. Means if you take any value, means here no problem. Suppose you can take for example A, B, C, X, Y, Z and so on we'll use. Means variables means it does not have any fixed values. And here if you take not A, B, C, you can take L, M and what are A, B, you can take anything. Means alphabets you can take anything, no problem. And after that we can see the constant. Constant means what? It has a fixed value. For constant, compulsory it has a fixed value. It has the fixed value. This fixed value means what we can take? Suppose we can take anything. Suppose we can take the numbers. Suppose some 6 minus 10, some root 2. Anything you can take. Why? Because means for root 2 we can take the root 2 value. How much? It is 1.414. Yes or no? So how much value you can take? That is a fixed one. For anything you can take the fixed value. Suppose you want to give to your friend 10 rupees. That is a fixed amount. Not like that means has to give something. Means what is it something? We don't know. So here what we have to do means for constant it has a fixed value. For variables not having any fixed value, we can take whatever it may be. And after that term. See, already we discussed in previous class. Already this variable, constant, term, like terms, sometimes unlike terms, all we discussed in previous class. But for 5 minutes, we'll discuss this topic and we'll go to a new topic. See, term. Term means what? See, if you take any product or quotient, suppose you can take here 2x. What is that? 2x. Otherwise, 3y. Otherwise, you can take some 2xy. If you take here 2x is 1 time, 3y is 1 time, 2xy is 1 time. Why? Because means these two we are writing has a 1. This is has a 1 part we are writing. This is we are writing has a 1. So if you take here some x by 2 also we can able to take. Otherwise 1 by 2. Whatever it may be, you can take like that also, no problem. Why? Because means you can take here 2 by x also you can able to take. So all these are terms only. Term is what here? The product or quotient of variable and a constant. If you take here, this is the constant number and this is the variable. Constant variable. Constant variables. Constant variable constant. So whatever it may be, you can take. It is called as a term is in the terms of variable and constant. So it is taken as a term. And in this term, like terms. Like terms. Like terms means what? Like means all should be same. Like all should be same. It is called as a like terms. So in like terms, what examples we can take? Suppose take here 2x square, some 3x square, some 10x square you can able to take. Why? Because means same I am writing up. Like terms. If you take some examples, some 3x square, some 2x square, 10x square. If you observe here the variables, what are the variables is there? That variable and that exponent. Exponent means this is only known. Exponent also called as power. So here the both are same. Here x is there In these three numbers, x is there. X is the common one. And after that, power means variable is x and power is 2. So when the variable and power both are same in given numbers, given terms, it is called like terms. See ma, here x square, x square, x square. Don't think about the constant or quotient. Okay, quotient, whatever it may be, you can take. But here the variable and the power should be same. Then it is called as the like terms. So now you see the unlike terms. See, here like means same. Unlike means it is not the same value. Suppose if you take here 3x square, 2y square, some 10xy you can take. Here what you have to observe means, see, here x variable, here y variable, here xy variable is there. Means here three different variables is there. So three different variables means we can't able to find the values also. So it is called as a unlike terms. Here power 2, 2. Here 1, 1 is there. So when the variables is not same, then can't able to see the powers also. If you take some more examples, suppose take here 3a square, some 6b square, 7a square, 10b square. If you take some 20xy. Suppose if you take here means here 3a square, 7a square is the one part. Yes or no? Yes. And 6b square, 10b square is the one part. So here these are the like terms and this is the unlike term because another number is not there. Suppose it is there means we can able to find that value also. So this is about the like terms and unlike terms. And after that what we have to observe means only like terms only we can able to add the numbers. Suppose take here 3a square, 7a square. Means 3a square plus 7a square. Here variable and the power are same. So directly we can able to add the numbers. So 7 plus 3 how much? 10. 10 a square. Suppose if you take here 3a square plus 6b square. It is possible? It is not possible. Why? Because means here the variable is a and here b. So when a and b is there, we can't able to find the value. Means a value is there means we can able to find. B value is there means directly we can able to find. But like this we can't able to add. Only for unlike terms only we can able to find. See here 3x square plus 2x square plus 10x square. So here x square, x square, x square, all are x square only. So we can able to add the numbers 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So this answer is 15x square. Okay, ma'am? I think all it got clarity. See, next one will go. See, after that, we find out the expression. Expression. Expression is what? See, expression means the addition or subtraction of two or more unlike terms. Suppose take one. The expression means addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction of two or more. Two or more unlike terms. Unlike terms is called as the expression. Suppose you see the example. What is the example? 2x square y square plus 5x cube y minus 6y square. Suppose if you take like this, yes, addition is there, subtraction also is there. But here unlike terms is there. Here x square y square is there. Here x cube y. Here y square is there. So this type of terms will call as the expression. Means in one way we are arranging the numbers. And these expressions, there are two different types in this. Expressions only two is there. One is numerical. One is numerical expression. Second one is algebraic expression. See, already in previous class we discussed the numerical expression is only numbers will be there. In this, suppose take some 2 plus 3 minus of some 4 into 3 plus 5 by 3, whatever it may be. So like that, only numbers only will be there. It is called as a numerical expressions. And algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions means what? Compulsory should be have variables. Compulsory have the variables, then it is called as a algebraic expression. Suppose see the example 5x plus 6. Here x is the variable. See, my expression is like that we are writing. In the two types is there. One is numerical expression, second one is algebraic expressions. Numerical expression is compulsory numbers. Numers means numbers only, no, compulsory numbers only will be there. It is called as a numerical expressions. Algebraic expressions. Compulsory should have the alphabet, means variables should be there. So when the variables is there, at least one variable. So it is called as the algebraic expressions. And after that, we discussed about the polynomials. See, after that, polynomial. Now we come to the definition of polynomial. What is meant by polynomial? Polynomial. See, an algebraic expression and algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integer power is called a polynomial. See the example now. 2x plus 5, 3x square plus 5x plus 6 minus 5y from x cube, etc. One sigma polynomial. What is meant by polynomial? An algebraic expression. See, this is the algebraic expression, you know, an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have. Here the variable is there. This is the variable. This total, it is the algebraic expression. So 2x plus 5 is the algebraic expression. In that, what is there? In which the variables, this is the variable, x is the variable. Involved have only non-negative integer power. Non-negative means what? Which is the positive number. So what are the positive numbers? 1, 2, 3 and so on. All these are positive numbers. What about the 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. So here positive numbers. These are all positive numbers. So positive number is the power. Power means up. So see, an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means here nothing but positive number. Power is called a polynomial. See, if you take any algebraic expression, in that algebraic expression, if you take a variable power is in positive numbers. Variable power, suppose if you take here some more examples, some 3y plus 2. Otherwise, we can take 4x square plus 5. Here, what we are observing here, the variable power is in positive numbers, not negative numbers. So, this is a positive number, then it is called as a polynomial. See, here 3x square plus 5x plus 6. If you observe this number, compulsory here, this power is positive. Here minus 5, this power is positive. Here y is 1. So y power 1. 1 is the positive number. And here x cube is there. Means 3. 3 is the positive number. So if you take any algebraic expression, compulsory the power should be positive, then it is called as a polynomial. So just once look at more. So that is about the polynomial. And if you take some more, what is that means? Suppose if you take here 1 by x square, 1 by x square, 1 by root 2x if you take, and otherwise 1 by y minus 1 if you take. All these are polynomials, means it's not the polynomials. Why? Because means it is are not a polynomial, or not polynomials. Why means see ma, here 1 by x square is there. 1 by x square, how will write? This will come upside, means x to the power of minus 2 we will write. Yes or no? 1 by x square means x power minus 2 only, no. So like that when we are writing here, power is in negative. Minus 2 means that is the negative number. So here minus 2 is negative integer. So it is not the polynomial. Only non-negative integers, means only positive integers is there. Then it is called as a polynomial. Otherwise that these are not polynomials. So just copy it ma. About the polynomials, copy it. If it is completed, just raise your hand. We will go to the next one. Okay, ma, now you got understand about the polynomial. Now we'll see the types of polynomials about the numbers. By using the numbers, we can find the polynomials also. See, types of polynomials, now we'll see. Types of polynomials. Number of terms. Similar types of polynomials by using the numbers. So first one it is monomial. Mono means how many, ma? Only one. So only one term is there, that is called as a monomial. See the example. Suppose if you take here example from 2x square. Here 2x square means this is the one term. Already we discussed it. This is the one term. And after that you can take some more examples. Here 6 also you can take. 6 is also one term. That is the constant one. Okay. Next. If you take like this means only one term you can able to take 7x cube. Why? Suppose like that you can take anything. This only one time is the 7x cube is the one time. A 2x square is the one time. 6 is the one time. So it is called as a monomial. How can we write? If an expression have only one time, it is called as a monomial. And after that we can see mono means one time. One time. After that we can take binomial. Bi means how many? 2. Bi means 2 only, no? 2 times if you take, it is called as a binomial. Suppose if you take this example, what is that? Some 2x plus 3y you can able to take. 2x plus 3y by addition, we are separating these 2 terms. So this is one term, this is one term. So it is called as a binomial. Take example 2x square plus 6 you can take. This is one term, this is one term. So by addition or subtraction, we are separating the 2 terms. So this is the binomial. So 2 terms should be there. And after that you can take trinomial. Trinomial means 3. How will take the example? Some 2x square, some 3x plus 6 you can able to take. So here 3 terms is there. So it is called as a trinomial. And you can take this one also, ax square plus bx plus c also you can able to take. And last final one is multinomial. See, my last one is it is a multinomial. Multinomial means what? Multi. Here see the name multi. Multi means number of more than 3. If you take it is called as a multinomial. Suppose take the example. Example if you can take, suppose see here 2x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10. If you take here, there are 4 terms is there. 2x cube one time, 5x square one time, 7x 10. Here 4 terms is there. So it is called as a multinomial. If you take more than 5 also, suppose take here 2 by 3 x square y plus 5 xy square minus 7x square y plus 10x plus some 12 you can able to take. So here more than 3 numbers, whatever it may be taking, it is called as a multinomial. Just once copy it, ma. See, and after that we can able to find the degree of a polynomial. See, ma, degree of a polynomial. Degree means what? Suppose take one example. Take one example, ma. Suppose if you take here 2x square y cube. Here degree means nothing but variables powers is there, no? By adding the variables powers is nothing but degree. Sum of all powers of a variable in a term. In one term, how many variables is there? That variables all if we are add the powers, it is called as a degree. So if you observe here x power is 2, y power is 3. So you can add 2 plus 3. How much it is? 5. So degree of this term is 5. And if you take some more example here, suppose you can take here degree of 5x square y square z cube plus 7x cube yz plus 8xy cube. If you observe here x square y square z cube, how much? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Here how much? Here nothing is there, means 1 is there, no? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. Here 1 plus 3, it is 4. If you observe here, degree of this total term is how much? Means 7. Why you got 7 means here, if you observe, here what is the degree of first one term is 7. Second term is 5. Third term is 4. In this, what is the big number? 7. So what is the big number is there? Biggest of all these given terms. Then it is taken as a, that number will take as the degree. See, take some more examples if you want to take some degree of 7x cube y square plus 2xy plus 8x plus 2 you can take. Suppose if you took like that. So if you observe here how much? 3 plus 2, 5. Here 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1. So what is the degree of this full total expression? That is 5. Why? Because means is greater than 2 and 1. So we will take degree is 5. So here what we has to say for degree means what are the given terms is there, in that what is the biggest number, that is called as a degree of the given polynomial. Okay, ma. Now we got the clarity about degree of a polynomial. Just once copy it, ma. And this book PDF Already for first 2 chapters I sent for all of you. If you got or not, I don't know. If not got means again remember me. I will send you that PDF, and this also we will get the PDF. And in this we'll see the types. Now already polynomials we saw the types by using the numbers. Now we'll see the types of polynomials by using the degrees. Types of polynomials. That is about the degree. Now we will discuss about the degree. So in that first one you can take constant. If you take the constant means constant is nothing but if you take some example, suppose if you take example here, some 8 you take. So madam, how will write this 8 means suppose how will write this 8? 8 into x to the power of 0. Already in logarithm in your previous classes already we discussed x power 0 means nothing but 1. Yes or no? So here 8 into 1 which is equal to 8. So it is a constant value. So by constant values we can write constant means that is degree is here 0. Degree 0 here. And after that we can see linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear means nothing but compulsory 1. Linear means nothing but 1. 1 degree should be there. Suppose if you take here p of x equal to some 3x. Here what is the degree? 1. So here degree is 1. So you can take some more examples. Some 2x plus 1 you can take means here degree is 1 only. Some 3 y plus 10 you can take like that. And after that we can take quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means nothing but 2. Nothing but 2. If you take this some example, from p of x equal to 3x square, you can take 3x square plus 2x plus 1 you can take. Here this power is 2. But here 1 also is there, but we will consider only highest number. Means highest power only we will consider. So here 2. So degree is how much? 2. If you take some more examples, some 4x square plus 7x plus 10. No